How are you? I hope you are fine. As usual, we have 5 steps for our lesson. Okay, as usual, we have starter, objectives, introduction, individual work, and plenary. Starter first. Think. I want you to think. Can you find things that can be at school and at home? Can you find things that can be at school and at home? I want you to think. Okay? We'll give you a few minutes. We have finished starter. Okay, and before that, just I will mention that something things that we have at school, for example, table. We have also table at home. We have chair, okay, at school, and we have chair at home, and so far. Okay, we have box. We have all this stuff. We have it at home and at school. Anyway, okay, we are in unit 1. Unit 1, our new things. We are in lesson 2. Okay, we are going to discuss the objectives here. Okay, we are going to to recognize this, that, and this, that, these, and those. Then we are going to practice writing sentences with demonstrative pronouns. All right, that's good. Okay, now we have finished so far. Starter and objectives. Now let's move. Okay, what is singular? Singulars mean one only. If I have one things, I have to say one. Look here. What you can see on the front of you here is a computer, right? A computer. If I have one things, I have to say a computer, especially if it is things like computer, table. We say a computer, a table. All right. Okay. Now let's move to plural. What is plural? Plural, something more than one. Plural. Okay, something more than one. Okay, it's like computer. We have here 2 computers, so we have to add s, so it will be computers. Okay, computers. Okay, good.
Hello, today we are going to talk about demonstrative pronouns. Okay, we have this. If we talk about something new to us, this is a bike. This is a bike. If we have something far from us and it is only one, we say that is a plane. That is a plane. It's far from us. If we have something near to us and and more than one, we say these are cars. These are cars. If we have more than one and something far from us, we say those are planes. Those are planes.
We are going to choose the right word. We have 4 sentences. You have to choose between the 2 words in front of the sentence. Okay, we have those and that, these number 2 we have these and those, number 3 we have that and this, and the last one we have that and this. What I want you to do, I want you to choose and think about singular and plural, if one or two or more than one. Okay, if one or more than one, which we call them, if more than one we call plural, if one only, as I told you, we call them singular. Okay, I will give you a few minutes to do this activity. You can submit your activity. Okay, I will accept it. You know how to send it to me, and I'm waiting for that. Okay. Okay, to the answer. Okay, and we will discuss why we choose this answer. For example, number 1, those are pens. Why we choose those? Because it's more than one. Okay, if we choose that, it will be completely wrong, because it is that we use it for something for but singular. Those we use it for something for but and plural. Okay, those we use it for something for and plural, and that's we use it for singular and for something for and singular. Okay, now let's move. So I will read the first sentence. Those are pens. If we move to the second one, these are chairs. Why we choose these, not those? Because chairs near to us. Can you see the hand? It's very close, right? Okay, if we move to number 3, this is a table. This is a table. Why I choose this? Because something very near and singular, and both of them we can use them for singular, but the different here that we can use it for something far from us, right? And this something close to us. Okay, right. Now number 4, that is a book, right? Number 4, that is a book. We choose that because it's something far from us. Look at the book, it's so far from us, so we use that, not this. As I mentioned in the third sentence, as I mentioned in the third sentence, the difference between that and this. Okay, now let's move. Now what I want you to do, I want you to do the activities on page 11 in your workbook, and we are going to discuss our answer, okay, later on. Just I want you to send me your answer, don't forget that. Okay, now let's move to another slide to save time. Okay, we have starter, we have objectives, we have introduction, and we have individual work. We have finished 4 so far. Now let's move to the last one, which is summary. Okay, now you have time to read the following sentences, then put tick or cross. If the sentence is okay, it's correct, just put tick. If it is not correct, just put cross. Is it clear? can you see here we have number one, the first sentence, we have these are chair. We should add s here, right? These are chairs, and don't forget okay, these are chairs. Now it's correct if we add s, but because there is only one chair, we have that's why it's wrong. Okay, and we use these. If we want to make it singular, we have to say this is a chair. Number two, those are pigs. Okay, if we it is correct. Number three also is correct. Why? Because this is a board, it is singular, and we use the singular demonstrative pronoun. Okay, so we use the right pronouns. Okay, now number four, that are pencils. That are pencils. Okay, it is wrong because we use that. We should use those. Okay, to make it correct, we should use those. Okay, all right, those. Okay,